Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the euro yen, I still think it's extremely clear this is a 1, 2, 3, and that we should be in a wave 4 right now, which will probably go down to one of these 3 fib levels after making 3 waves, and probably likely back up for wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this first move down is an A. We are very likely in a wave B right now, and at some point, which it doesn't have to happen now, it could keep going up, but at some point I think it needs to go down for a wave C of wave 4. Keep in mind this is the weekly time frame, so it most likely will take months for this pattern to play out. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily, I think this is an A. I think this is the A of B. I think this is 3 waves down for the B of B, and I think this is an uptrend for the C of B. We're not at a Fibonacci level right now, but if it does go down and break structure, I definitely will start looking for shorts. Otherwise, I'm still looking for longs because there's really no reason to say that this may not just keep on trending up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still up. My last structure level is right here, so until it breaks this structure for me, I am still only looking for longs on shorter time frames. This could easily just be another ABC correction to the uptrend, especially with the fact that we're actually right in between 2 fib levels. Makes me think that it probably is going to continue the uptrend when it's ready. Going down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it seems like all the yen pairs are making an A-B pattern. This kind of seems like 3 waves down for potential wave A. This seems like 1, 2, 3 waves up for potential wave B. And it's a little bit of a higher high too, which means that it may end up being a regular flat. And if that's the case, then it probably is going to make 5 waves down, probably back down to these lows right around the 50%. Then, if it is a regular flat, it'll probably bounce from that level and just continue the uptrend. So if I do see these 3 waves down, if I do see this Fibonacci bounce, then I'm definitely going to take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it decides to just keep on going down and break structure on my higher time frames, then I definitely will start happily looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see from that point on. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.